Hi guys, this full moon that I'm going to talk about falls in 16 degrees of Gemini, which is a place where the moon is going to be, and 16 degrees of Sagittarius, the sun. Sagittarius energy is all about truth, freedom, fighting for what you believe, adventure. It's about legal matters, it's optimism, okay? And Gemini energy, where the moon is going to be, is all about choices, mental energy, communication, intelligence, changing our mind, flexibility, changeability. So these two planets, two luminaries meeting, well, not meeting, opposing each other actually in 16 degrees of these two signs, will bring some kind of culmination, closure, completion, exposure. Some things will come up to light during the full moon. I also would say that what I find interesting is that this full moon actually happens on the axis of the US chart, which means that the one of the luminaries is on the ascendant, the other one on the descendant of the US chart. Okay, so I would say all eyes will be on the US during December, because not only this full moon emphasizes the US chart, but also we have the third conjunction of Pluto return. Pluto transiting natal Pluto on the US chart as well on the 27th of December, which definitely, I think will bring some kind of exposures and light shining on matters of the USA. So what is also happening that is interesting during this full moon? The planet of Neptune, planet of illusion, lies, confusion, media, but also spirituality, creativity and compassion, is going to loosely square these two luminaries. What is very extraordinary about that is that Neptune at the time in 22 degrees of Pisces is actually going stationary direct. Every planet that goes stationary direct, that changes direction, is actually has much more signified, much more I would say fortified meaning. Okay, so the significance of Neptune squaring these two luminaries, I think, is going to be quite big. What else? 6 planets are in mutable signs, so it's really great time for being flexible, being adaptable, change our mind, go over our choices, don't be afraid to change your mind, especially with this retrograding Mars squaring Neptune in the background. So yes, I think it's a very mutable, adaptable, flexible full moon. Let's watch the space, see what happens, especially in the areas of your chart that fall on the axis of 16 degrees of Gemini and Sagittarius, and let's make the most of it.